Hi there. We are making spinach cheese puffs today. We'll make the puff pastry, the filling, and then assemble and bake the puffs. Nothing can beat a flaky, buttery homemade puff. Are you a new visitor? Then do subscribe and click the bell icon. To make the puff pastry, the basic ingredients are the flour, butter, and water. 250 grams of butter, unsalted, from which I have taken out some as shortening. This is chilled water, slightly less than half a cup, about 100 milliliters. I'll add in a few drops of vinegar, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, pinch of salt, and a tiny bit of the butter from the butter we have taken to be used as shortening. Rub in the butter into the flour using your fingertips. That's done. Keep it aside. I've sliced the butter, and to this I'll add in a third of a cup of all-purpose flour. Use a pestle to pound the butter so that it becomes soft. It's quite hard as of now. Now it's time to just knead it lightly and gather it all together. Dust the work surface with some flour. Shape this dough into a square or a rectangle. Flatten it out. That looks good. I'll wrap it up in cling film and put it in the fridge. Time to knead the dough. So I used half a cup of water, chilled water, and I'll knead it for a bit till it's nice and smooth. That's done. Keep it covered for about 15 to 20 minutes. Having rested the dough, give it a light knead before you start rolling. Dusting of flour. Start rolling it out. Roll it out so that it's big enough to fit in that slab of butter. Just remove any excess flour. Place the butter and wrap it up so that it's completely encased in the dough. More dusting of flour to help with the rolling. Press on the butter to soften it up. So I've rolled it out into a rectangle. Time to fold it. Third of the way down. And then overlapping. Press it down. Since it's winters, I am using this opportunity to actually roll it out 2 times at one go. Time to fold it one more time. This time I'll put it in the fridge for 15 minutes. Time to roll it out the second time. In total, we are going to do this 3 times with 6 folds in all. Each time you roll, make sure that you are rolling it out in the opposite direction to the last time. One final time. Roll it out into a sheet 1/8 inch thick And your puff pastry is ready. Just remember to chill it for 10-15 minutes before you bake. Fold the pastry sheet and keep it in the fridge till it's time for you to use it. To make the filling, I have some bland spinach leaves that I have chopped up roughly. This is about a cup. 1 large onion sliced thinly. A tablespoon of chopped capsicum. A teaspoon of garlic, this is grated. Some nutmeg powder, red chili flakes and pepper powder. This is about 3/4 cups of grated cheese, processed cheese and mozzarella. And I have about 200 grams of paneer that I'll crumble. Good quality extra virgin olive oil for cooking and salt to taste. Heat up about 1.5 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add in the onions and the capsicum. If you like the recipe, share the link on social media and help me reach out to more people. Cook till the onions turn light brown in color. That looks done. Add in the garlic. Cook till the raw smell goes away. Add in the seasoning and the spinach. Toss it up. That's it. Turn off the heat. Crumble the paneer and add it in. You just need about 150 to 200 grams of paneer. That's all the paneer. Season it with salt and give it all a mix. And let it cool down to room temperature. So the filling has cooled down completely. Time to add in the cheese. This is just to ensure that the cheese doesn't melt. Mix it up. And now the cheese will only melt when you're baking your puffs. Keep it aside. Take out the puff pastry sheet from the fridge and open it out. Cut it out into any shape or size that you fancy. So I'll just draw the lines first. I cut them into 9 rectangles. Keep a bowl of water ready nearby. Take a sheet. Place a generous amount of the filling right in the middle. Wet the corners lightly. Pick up one corner and pinch it together with the opposite corner to make it stick. Similarly, pick up the other 2 corners and make them stick in the center. And you have a cute little parcel. Keep this aside and get on with the rest of them. Have you subscribed to my channel already? Once they are done, place them on a baking tray and brush them with some milk, beaten eggs or vegetable oil. Bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or till they are done. Just got them out of the oven. Look how pretty they are. This one has opened up fully. That's mine. The rest of them are absolutely gorgeous. Just let them cool down a bit before serving. You don't want to burn your tongue. Serve the puffs hot with ketchup or chili sauce and enjoy.